Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create a Hollywood-style cinematic movie poster in Photoshop from scratch. Because background is one of the most important parts of any cinematic design, I adjusted the colors to create a deep space-like effect so that the overall scene looks more dramatic and visually appealing. After that, I added a space background image to give a natural outer space environment. When you combine proper color grading with a good background, it instantly improves the overall quality of your design. Next, I added smoke effects. Smoke is a very powerful element. Design doesn't look flat and feels more dynamic. After that, I added a moon texture, which works as the surface in my design. This helps in creating a base and also adds realism to the overall composition. Now it's time to add the main subject. I placed an astronaut image, which acts as the hero of this poster. I positioned it carefully so that it becomes the main focal point and grabs attention instantly. Then I add a planet in the background and placed it far away to create depth to make it look more attractive. I used a soft brush and added an outer glow effect, which gives it a nice cinematic glowing look. Next, I added a fire-cracking texture to create realistic cracks on the planet, and using a clipping mask, I applied the texture perfectly on the planet's surface, which makes it look more detailed and dramatic. After that, I added small particles in the background. These small details help a lot in enhancing the cinematic feel and make the poster look more professional. Finally, I did some color correction, adjusted brightness and contrast to give the poster a polished and finished look, and that's how you can create a Hollywood-style cinematic movie poster. Step by step in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.